Okay, if you want to do factory reset for the log 2885NDF, you can just there is a button here to factory reset for the back handle one. So you will have to just put in the battery and then connect the wire. So if you found you cannot unlock, and then it will turn out red. There's a button here on the double side that you can try press inside. Okay, and you can hear the first sound ti, then second sound ti ti. So then now already factory reset complete lah. But if you cannot find, you can try unlock try open the screw here. Okay, there is 4 screws here. Try to open it first. Okay, play open. If you found, actually there is a button here you can press already. So if you wish to pull out the case, the lock device here, you have to open this one as well. So you have to open the nut. Okay, after you open the nut, then only you can pull out the handle here. But the button is already at the middle here one. So this is the button, so you have to connect the wire, then use the pin again. Use the pin.
Yes.
Make sure you press on the middle, press and hold. Then after the second sound TT, then you can the lock is already factory reset lah. Then now you can just install back all the screw here lah.